Samarth Agarwal, your opening remarks about the stimulus package. Where do we find ourselves? What is this predicament about, and how soon will it be over?
So yeah, I mean, see, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to, say that the government, in my view, is doing a commendable job. I mean, see, we need to be cognizant of a few things that uh, our country is equal to probably 20, 25, 30 countries put together. And there is one government taking care of all of that. This is an unprecedented pandemic. We are looking at something that happens once in 100, 150, 200 years. There is no action replay here. There is no retake. So there is a lot of chaos that one government, centrally is taking care of with the help of a lot of local governments. And one thing that is not, we are not getting to hear from different parts of the country is that dal is very expensive, rice is very expensive, wheat flour is very, I'm not able to afford wheat flour, I'm not able to afford. So the government, I think, has been able to do a very good job in making sure that the basic amenities, the essentials, are available in every nook and corner of our country, which is, yes, I understand people have all sorts of problems. Some people are not able to go out for entertainment. Some people, they're not able to take care of their pets. Some people are not able to, convert foreign currency. I understand that. But then there are people who have to worry about how will they pay their rent the next month, or where will the atta dal come from for the house, and we have to be appreciative of the fact that this is a country where majority of people have those existential problems. And what should the government be prioritizing? We need to ask ourselves that. And is there a section of society which is not being taken care of in terms of availability of food, availability of basic things, being able to keep themselves clean, being able to go to have a night's sleep with some food in their stomach? And that's where I see that the government has done a very good operational job. This is not just about making policy, it's about execution. And execution at a scale, we are talking about 1/5 of the planet here, right? And execution at that level, being able to make these small things, essential things, reach each and every locality of our country, each and every corner of our country, is commendable. And that's where our customers, which are the kirana stores, have been adding a lot of value over the last 3 months. They have not been sitting at home trying to safeguard themselves from a virus. They have been out there selling masks to people, selling sanitizers to people while using it themselves. And I think the government has done a commendable job in supporting them by keeping the supplies open, by enabling the truck drivers to run their trucks, by keeping, by identifying who should get the passes, who should not get the passes, are they being misused, or are the right people getting the passes, making quick decisions. There is no dearth of speed here in terms of making the right decisions. I think our government took very tough decisions early on when a lot of very developed countries were delayed in making those tough decisions.